The paper of the day is Resilient Distributed Datasets, Fault-Tolerant Abstraction for In-Memory Cluster Computing. In this paper, authors propose a new abstraction called Resilient Distributed Datasets, RDDs in short, that enables efficient data reuse in a broad range of applications. RDDs are fault-tolerant parallel data structures that let users explicitly persist intermediate results in memory, control their partitioning to optimize data placement, and manipulate them using a rich set of operators. Paper evaluated RDDs and Spark through micro-benchmarks and a measurement of user applications. Spark outperforms Hadoop by up to 20 times in iterative machine learning and graph applications. The speedup comes from avoiding I/O and deserialization costs by storing data in memory as Java objects. Applications written by their users perform and scale well. In particular, they use Spark to speed up analytics report that was running on Hadoop by 40 times. When node fails, Spark can recover quickly by rebuilding only the lost RDD partitions. Spark can be used to query a 1 terabyte dataset interactively with latencies up to 5 to 7 seconds. Now let's look at the contribution. Paper presented RDDs, an efficient general-purpose fault-tolerant abstraction for sharing data in cluster applications. RDDs can express a wide range of parallel applications, including many specialized programming models that have been proposed for iterative computation, and new applications that these models do not capture. Unlike existing storage abstractions for clusters, which require data replication for fault tolerance, RDDs offer an API based on coarse-grained transformation that lets them recover data efficiently using lineage. Authors have implemented RDDs in a system called Spark that outperforms Hadoop by up to 20 times in iterative applications and can be used interactively to query hundreds of gigabytes of data. Let's talk PS score. Overall, this paper is a nice and engaging read, so it gets 9 out of 10 on readability. With 14 pages long, it scores 9 out of 10 on length. The description of the approach is decent, so that makes it 9 out of 10. Industry value and learning, which is pretty high, so it gets 10 out of 10 on each. Overall PS score is 9 out of 10.